Applying for a Canada Work Permit visa online is a straightforward process, but there are a few steps that you need to follow in order to ensure that your application is complete and accurate. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for a Canada Work Permit visa online. Gather the necessary documents. Before you begin the online application process, you will need to have certain documents ready to upload. These may include your passport, a job offer letter from a Canadian employer, and any relevant educational or professional qualifications. Create a user account. Go to the official Government of Canada website for immigration and create an account. This will allow you to access the online application system and track the progress of your application. Fill out the online application form. Once you have logged into the system, you will be prompted to fill out the application form. Make sure to provide accurate and complete information, and double-check for errors before submitting. Pay the application fee. Before you can submit your application, you will need to pay the application fee. This can be done online with a credit or debit card. Keep the receipt of the payment as you may need it later. Upload the necessary documents. Once you have paid the application fee, you will be able to upload the necessary documents. This may include your passport, a job offer letter, and any relevant educational or professional qualifications. Make sure that the documents are in a digital format, PDF, JPG, etc., and readable before uploading. Submit the application. Once you have completed the online application form, paid the fee and uploaded all the necessary documents, you can submit your application. Wait for a decision. After you submit your application, the Government of Canada will process it and make a decision on your work permit visa. The processing time may vary depending on the volume of applications and where you are applying from. You can check the status of your application online using the account you created. Please note that you may also need only a labor market impact assessment if your employer wants to hire you. This will be done by the employer and it's a separate process. Keep in mind that this information is general and may change depending on where you are applying from and the rules regarding the COVID-19 pandemic. You should always check the official website of the Government of Canada for the most up-to-date information and instructions on how to apply for a Canada Work Permit visa.